2024.3 introduces new features in reports, properties, event handlers, and more. Our first feature is a brand new object in reports, deferred grading. Now, you can report on items that are outstanding to gain a better picture of all assigned record items that have not yet been graded. Tired of typing out a new URL every time you want to switch between the web portal and TMS Web? Those days are behind you. Now, you can configure a toggle in the top toolbar to switch between the two applications. Back in the desktop, we've implemented a new feature to improve system performance, more organized file destinations. Now, file type properties, notification attachments, or sign-off PDFs will be organized into folders. To allow more flexibility when populating file event handler action properties, we implemented a new placeholder that allows you to reference server preference values. This placeholder, for example, could be used to create file paths that don't need to be updated from environment to environment, like after a test to production migration. Lastly, you can now use the HTTP request action to retrieve binary files, expanding the functionality of the action for advanced integrations. For more information on the 2024.3 features, visit your Mint manual.